Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show you how to customize your sources. Let's get started. At first we have to go to BlueOS app and then click Music. As you can see, inputs Bluetooth, we can click Customize, and in Bluetooth we can choose between manual, automatic, guest and disabled. Apart from that, we can change analog input, we can change name, icon, AV mode, lip sync delay, compressed grouped audio, and we can hide this source. We can change optical input, name, icon, autosense, AV mode, lip sync delay, compressed group audio, and hide source. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.